In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails to customers in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll feel confident sending invoices right from your books, and you'll know what each option does, so you can communicate clearly with your customers. Start by navigating to the Sales section on the left panel. This is your hub for everything related to customers, products, and invoices. Once you're there, open the Invoices tab. You'll see a list of all your invoices, including their statuses, due dates, and amounts. If you have a lot of records, you can use the search and filters to quickly find what you need. But for now, simply locate the specific invoice you want to email. Next, look for the small caret icon next to that invoice. It usually appears as a tiny downward arrow that opens a Quick Actions menu. Click it to reveal your options. You'll see choices like Send and Send Reminder. Choose Send if you're emailing the invoice for the first time, or resending the full invoice. Choose Send Reminder when the invoice is still unpaid, and you want to nudge the customer without creating a new invoice. A reminder typically uses a polite message that references the existing balance and due date. When the email window opens, you'll see that most details are automatically populated. Review the From field to make sure the sending address matches how you want your customer to reply. Check the To field to confirm the customer's email is correct and up to date. The subject line often includes your company name and invoice number. Feel free to make it clearer by keeping the invoice number front and center so it's easy for the customer to recognize. The email body will be pre-filled with a standard message that references the invoice and amount due. You can customize this to add a friendly note or important context, such as a thank you line or brief payment guidance. If there's an attachment included, like a PDF of the invoice, make sure it's appropriate for what you're sending. Take a moment to proofread everything. This is also a good time to ensure tone and details are accurate, especially if you're sending a reminder rather than the initial invoice. When everything looks right, click Send. QuickBooks will dispatch the email and log the activity on the invoice timeline, so you can see when it was sent and, in many cases, when it was viewed. That's all there is to it. You've sent your invoice or reminder directly from QuickBooks Online, keeping everything tracked and organized in one place.